Inheritance in C++. In C++, attributes and methods can be passed from one class to another. The inheritance concept is divided into two categories. Derived class, child, the class that inherits from another class. Base class, parent, the class being inherited from derived class. Use the sign to inherit from a class. In the following example, the car class, child, inherits the following characteristics and methods from the vehicle class, parent. Why and when to use inheritance. It is useful for code reusability. Reuse attributes and methods of an existing class when you create a new class. Multi-level inheritance. A class can also be derived from one class, which is already derived from another class. In the following example, my grandchild is derived from class myChild, which is derived from my class. Multiple inheritance. A class can also be derived from more than one base class, using a comma-separated list. Example. Access specifiers. You learned from the Access Specifiers chapter that there are 3 specifiers available in C++. Until now, we have only used public, members of a class are accessible from outside the class, and private, members can only be accessed within the class. The third specifier, protected, is similar to private, but it can also be accessed in the inherited class. Thanks for watching.